My name's Ashlynn.
And more Archer Winton School. I'm Richard. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Ahina, the 8th of June.
We start the day with hockey news.
Practice for year 1 and 2 teams. Mrs Hall's Wiggles and Omea and Riley's Wombles. Listen up.
You have a practice today at lunchtime on the basketball court.
O.K Te kupu wiki. This week's word is I.
Is that Te Ora for yes?
I. Kapai. It's getting dark out there in the morning, people. So to and from school, do the right thing. We got Hi Viz vests.
A big Kia Ora to all the librarians. Please meet at the library today at 12:40 to tidy the shelves.
And remember, book club orders are due in this Friday. All envelopes to Mrs Reid. Thank you. Time for the Tidy Class Award. Drum roll please for
rooms 9, 10 and 11. Not too many weeks left. It's 3. So keep your classes tidy.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
One birthday today at Winton School. Sienna Breen is turning 6.
Happy birthday, Sienna. Have a great day.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo.
Stay clean, stay dry, and haere rā, Winton School.